Once a horse was grazing on a meadow. He was so engaged in his grazing that he missed to notice a wolf for a long time. And when he took notice of the wolf, it was too late to run away. The wise horse thought of a kick and started enacting it. He began to limp across the field. The wolf thought, "This is my choice." He came near the horse and asked, "Hello, horse, why are you limping?" The horse replied, "A thorn had pricked into my hoof." The wolf said, "Well, I know to put out thorns. Can you help you?" The wolf began to take hold of the horse's legs, but what a pity! Before the could catch the leg, he was flying up in the air. The horse had given a mighty kick. Moral: a pint of thought saves you a lot.